Our friends, what is happening today? Boy, is a video in the works for about 3 months. I've been testing out these GoFluxx LED lights here for about actually a little bit over 3 months now. And I've been really, especially recently, itching to get in front and share my experience. And I've intentionally waited 3 months to have a dedicated video with this for one good reason. And most of the lights that I've tested over the years, I've noticed one thing that's pretty consistent when it comes to lights. They will usually work really well up front. And then it's like it's like a drop off. It's like a slow lit fuse. Things start going wrong. Either they start falling apart because the material that they use is under par or just not good. If they're battery powered, they really start dropping off pretty darn fast. Or you start seeing just stress cracks or things beginning to fail with them. And so as a result, I like to wait. When it comes to lights, I like to really spend some time, beat the hell out of them and really spend some time. Because think about it. Bad lighting, it's it's a big deal. It can ruin a otherwise great night at camp. You have the fire going, dinner is almost ready, and then you realize you can't see because your lights have failed. And when you're cooking, or better yet, where your gear is or where you are stepping, that's a problem. And after 3 months of running these GoFluxx tricolor LED strips around camp, I can tell you this right now. Good lighting, great lighting changes everything. And that's exactly what we're going to be talking about today. I've been running, again, for these GoFluxx 36-inch tricolor LED strips for, and I'm going to keep repeating this, it's been over 3 months. I've tested them in different setups from tents, camp kitchens, in general area lighting. And I've learned a lot about how these lights perform in real world. Now, before we get into all of this, if you are new here, well, consider subscribing on this channel. You're going to find gear reviews, how-to videos, field tests, and practical tips to help you get out and enjoy your time out in the outdoors. The goal here is simple, to help you understand gear better, so therefore you can make smart decisions before you go spending any of your money. Now, let's get back to these lights right here. Now, again, as I've said a few times, these are the GoFluxx 36-inch tricolor LED strips. Now, each one of these is, well, as you can see, about 3 feet long. They make them in a number of different sizes. And incidentally, I'm going to put some links down below if you want to take a look at these things. And these are designed as flexible lighting solutions. So for, you can use these on trucks, trailers, tents, in general camp use. And as you're going to find out, these are as Swiss Army knife as it gets for light. Each strip offers about 3 different lighting modes. You have a white, you have a amber, and you have a red light. And to switch between them, it's just down on the end here where the wire's at, you have just a simple push of the button in place, and that's going to allow you to switch between the color modes. And you also have a dimming function as well. That same button, you're going to press and hold, and that's going to allow you to dim the colors, which is one of the features I really appreciate the most. Brightness control really makes a big difference around camp. I don't need to tell you, you know this already. Full brightness, I think it's perfect for unpacking late at night. Medium, well, is really fantastic for cooking, and low light, well, is ideal for winding down before bed. Now, these lights run on 12-volt DC, so they're easy to power from your vehicle, battery system, or even a cigarette lighter output. Now, in my setup, I run them off a simple 12-volt plug, or the USB-C plug there. It's quick, simple, and reliable. Now, the housing, these things, it's a black anodized aluminum, which gives them a really clean and durable feel. Now, these are also rated IP67, so dust, rain, and outdoor conditions, absolutely no issue. In mounting, this is where these things really shine here, no pun intended. You've got the built-in mounting lugs on the end here for permanent installations, like whether it be an awning, a trailer, some on the back of your truck or under cabinets, or you can use the included, you have a 3M backing for more permanent positions and so forth. Now, personally, I switch between the magnetic mount and Velcro, and let me expound on that here. So if you look at the ends here, These are some additional magnet mounts that they offer here. When you undo the screw here, you have this little plate with a little slot in it, so you can actually either screw that down or you can have these little magnetic bits in here, which really, really work well. And when I need to use Velcro, because you can actually put Velcro on the back here and have the Velcro on your tent or wherever you want to put it there. Or sometimes what I'll do is I will wrap these, like depending upon the tent, if it is not a metal, it's a metal that I can use the magnets for, I will take wraps and just put it around where I need it to be, and it works really, really well. That lets me position these lights exactly where I want them, quick and easy, which who doesn't like that? And this is where these lights, as I mentioned a moment ago, really stand out. So instead of harsh spotlight or a lantern that throws shadows all over the place, you get smooth, even light across the entire camp space. And that's a really nice touch. They remember your last setting. And this is actually one of the things that I really appreciated right off the get-go. So when you power them back on, the same color, the same brightness, simple, very useful. Now, let's talk about the tricolor system, because this is pretty cool, and also the backbone of these lights. You have white light is going to be your go-to for visibility, cooking, working, setting up your camp. Amber, well, this is one of my favorites for general camp lighting, and often I'm cooking with that as well. As I mentioned earlier, for the, you don't get as many bugs. It's softer on the eyes, and it tracks, fewer of the flying critters around. And red light, well, this is perfect for preserving night vision. And if you're stargazing or keeping things low key, this is the mode that you use. And around my home, I have red lights all over the place, and often as I'm getting ready to wind down, usually the last hour of the night when I'm up, I have red lights on all over the place. So I love the fact that these have red lights. It helps with sleep and getting a good night's sleep as well. So either way, as I mentioned earlier, it is really simple. You just have this button on the end, and that's going to allow you to toggle through the different light settings on here. Now, let's talk about the power consumption, because these things are actually really, really efficient. Running all 4 lights on low, it's going to draw about 8 watts total. On high, it's closer to 24 watts. So again, very efficient. That's solid for amount of light that you're getting here. And since they're running on 24 volts, well, you've got options. Vehicle power, you can trailer system or more advanced setups like a Red Arc or a Renogy system. No matter how you run them, you're getting clean, efficient light in a lightweight form factor. And beyond performance, these lights are just really built well. GoFluxx comes from a automotive background. I met the owner of this company, and this guy really, he knows his stuff. He's like you and I. He's like you and I, but like a super engineer, and really is driven to create the best light that the market can have. And that shows in how these things are designed. They are practical, they are durable, and they're clearly made for real world use. So at the end of the day, at the end of the 3 months, what's my verdict here? Well, the biggest takeaway is simple. Good lighting completely changes the camping experience. Cooking is easier. Communicating, socializing with people easier, finding gear is easier, and just relaxing around camp feels better when lighting is right. These strips give you flexible placement, efficient power use, and lighting options that adapt at whatever you are doing. So you're not stuck with one harsh light. You can adjust the color, adjust the brightness, and dial things in exactly how you want. And again, I got to talk about the durability of these things. These things are really built like a tank. So instead of thinking these as just lights, think of them as tools that help you build a better camp. All right, folks, that is it for today's video. After 3 months, again, when you think about particular pieces or tools, as I mentioned a moment ago, around your campsite that are just backbone to a great camping rig, lighting, chairs, tables, power supply, a tent. Lights are, again, right up on top, because if it's dark, you're out in the middle of the woods and so forth, having good light just makes life easier. But friends, that is all I have. If you have any questions on these lights, let me know in the comments down below. If you'd like to take, I'm going to put some links down below over to GoFluxx website as well. Again, they have a number of different sizes, and these guys, again, you want a good light, look, if I can make a suggestion, even if you have something right now that you're happy with, try them out. Go get one of their smaller units, one of their smaller lights that they have out there, and see for yourself. And then obviously maybe step it up from there. But anyway, that's all I got. Leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you found this to be helpful, and like the video so therefore more people get to see this video. I appreciate you. You are awesome. And friends, that is it. So I will see you in the next video.